Alright guys, here we are taking our first ever ride on Expedition GeForce at Holiday Park. Intamin Mega Coaster, known to be one of Intamin's finest work. I am so excited for this.
I thought you weren't vlogging today.
It's a beauty. This is where it looks absolutely fantastic.
All the mountains.
Very excited for this. We've been seeing this on like the Travel Channel, like world's best roller coasters for years and years. So stoked to be on this finally. Let's go! Let's go! Let's do it! Yeah! Whoa! Oh yeah! Whoa! Oh, it's so good. All right. Oh, it's intense. So many bugs. What the hell? Oh no! Oh! What? Wow, that is awesome. That is an awesome ride.
That's good.
That's great.